Hi guys, my name is Lauren. I'm 20 years old and I live in Chicago. I'm currently a freelance makeup artist. I'm going to school down here, so I do not have any type of certification or any kind of training in any sort other than the fact that I've taken classes because this is kind of my major. This is my first ever YouTube video, so bear with me. I am listening to music right now out of my headphones. I don't own earpods because I'm poor. So if you want to PayPal me, that would be appreciated. So since this is my first YouTube video, I've been like heckled about it for like the past year, and I'm finally doing it. So you're welcome. Sorry. It's a good song. Anyways, so today I'm gonna do something colorful for you guys since that is basically all I'm good at. Before I do that, I'm gonna throw on a face mask because sometimes I like to take care of myself. Sometimes. So I have this CmaaDU Grapefruit face mask. I'm gonna have to stop listening to music. Now I can't function. Anyways, I'm just gonna let her sit. You're gonna wait about 10 minutes and leave that girl on, and I will be back with you when I am done. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that shit tingled. Kinda hurted. So I'm gonna start doing my eyeshadow. I'm gonna do a cut crease today. So I'm gonna start off with the Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, my girl. And I'm gonna dip into the dark blue Minx at the top. So now I'm gonna cut my crease. In my crease, I'm going to use a couple of colors. But I'm gonna start with this kind of like light tealy blue. I'm gonna go over the front a little bit with this little teal sparkle in this palette. So I'm gonna go back into Minx from the Full Spectrum palette and go underneath here. I'm also gonna grab that cute little sparkly teal that I was just using and go underneath right there and connect those two. I'm gonna put in a little pop of a white shade that I have. I'm gonna do my liner. I'm gonna try and make it decently thick. So the lashes I'm gonna use today are off of they're off of AliExpress. I don't know where my eyelash glue is. Alright, so this is the finished eye look with lashes and all. I'm gonna fix it up a little bit and do some stuff off camera and do the other side of my face. And I'll bring you back for my foundation and other face makeup routine. Hey pals, we're back. So I finished my eye look. I'm gonna put lotion on my face and then I'm just gonna show you my normal face routine. Next, to highlight certain parts of my face, I'm going to use the NYX Total Control. It's just a drop foundation. I just realized that that entire time my headphones were not in my ears and I was listening to music outwardly, so I'm going to get in trouble for that. So I'm gonna go in certain areas with powder and just like bake, sorta, kinda. Not really, but kinda, sorta. Just to make it look like a little more matte and less reflective and less like I'm dying. For contour, I use the Ben Nye little, it's like contour highlight little pack. Not sure what it's actually called. If you're an actress or an actor, you've probably gotten this in like one of those kits. I have this cute little blush. I don't know where it's from, but it's this cute little palette. I think it broke off of something, but it's super cute. And what I like to use for highlight is the highlight out of the Anastasia Contour Palette powder. Then I'm gonna move on to my lips. So what I'm gonna do is I wanna use this NYX blue color and Jet Set. This is really obnoxious blue, but it doesn't really match well with my eye shade. So I'm going to mix it a bit. I'm gonna mix it with Little Denim Dress, also by NYX, just a light blue color. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Alien, which is the black, and I'm gonna dab a little bit on the outside corners of my mouth. Alright, so I have like this kind of soft gradient in my lips of this blue into a darker blue, black kind of look. So thank you so much, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and possibly subscribe to my channel. So we'll see where this goes. Thank you so much, guys. Have a wonderful day. Is that the thing that people do? They go